Welcome, my dear soul, to a haven of stillness crafted with care just for you. Amid the rhythm of life, let this be your retreat, a sacred space to nurture the light and serenity within. In these next few minutes, grant yourself the gentle gift of presence, a moment to savor the calm and grace that surrounds you. To begin this mindfulness meditation, find a seated position where your feet rest flat on the ground, your hands gently placed on your thighs or knees, elbows relaxed, and your body fully at ease. Allow your shoulders to soften, your spine to lengthen, and when you're ready, gently close your eyes. Take a moment to tune inwards. Notice your body, the weight of gravity, and the points of contact between you and the surface beneath you. What sensations arise? Observe them with curiosity. And without judgment, now shift your focus to your breath. Feel each inhale and exhale as it moves through you. Let your breath guide you into the present moment. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath and body. No judgment, just awareness. Allow your awareness to expand outward, noticing the space around you and the stillness within. There's nothing to fix, nothing to change. Just let everything be as it is. Slowly begin to bring your focus back to your body. Roll your shoulders, wiggle your fingers and toes. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carrying this sense of mindfulness with you. Great work. May your day be as peaceful as this moment. From my heart to yours, Namaste. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to SoulFem Meditations and click the bell icon so you never miss any future videos. Thank you for being here, and I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye, my love. See you soon.